Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Microsoft Dynamics 365 for outbound sales sequences, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating Microsoft Dynamics 365 for outbound sales sequences, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft Dynamics 365 login page. Enter your username and password associated with your Dynamics 365 account. Once logged in, locate and access the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. In the Settings menu, select Advanced Settings. This will redirect you to a new tab that shows your Dynamics 365 settings. From there, look for the Administration section. Under Administration, choose System Settings. In the System Settings window, switch to the Email tab. Scroll down to find the Email Server Profiles section. Here, check if an email server profile is already set up. If not, click on New to create a new email server profile. Fill in the required fields, including the profile name and description. Select the appropriate server type, such as SMTP. Enter the server address and authentication details as needed. After filling in the details, save the profile. Next, go back to the Advanced Settings menu. Locate the Outlook tab and click on it. Ensure that the Configure Your Email option is correctly set up. Now, navigate back to the main dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Sales and then Outbound Sales Sequencing. Choose the sales sequence you need to authenticate. Click on the Edit button to modify the settings. In the settings, look for the Authentication section. Select the authentication method suited for your organization. Input the necessary credentials and settings for authentication. Save your changes once all information is verified. You can now test the outbound sales sequence to ensure it's functioning correctly. Monitor the performance and troubleshoot any issues as they arise. This completes the authentication setup for Microsoft Dynamics 365 outbound sales sequences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.